Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to know if someone has hacked your WhatsApp account. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go through all your chats to check if anyone have sent a message which you know you did not send any message. So you have to go through a few of your messages and also go through all the calls to know if anyone have made any calls, whether anyone have made any call which you don't know about, to check whether anyone have made any call you did not do. And also the next step for you to go is for you to go over you. Let me go over you, which is over to your profile side. And over to your profile side, you're going to see linked device. So over here, you're going to see the device that is linked to your WhatsApp. Any account or any device that is linked to your WhatsApp is going to appear over here. Like you're going to see it here. So what you have to do is for you to just remove it. And when you remove it, it will be disconnected from your WhatsApp. So you're going to see then here. It's going to be listed here, the device or any phone connected to your device. And this is how you'll be able to know if someone have hacked your account, when their device is linked to your WhatsApp, and also when you know you didn't make any call or send message to anyone, and for you to avoid anything concerning hacking. And what you have to do is for you to go over see that your profile side. You're going to see accounts. You go over to accounts, and over to this account you're going to see two-step verification. Let me go over to two-step verification. You just have to create a pin for extra security. Use this pin to access your account. So this pin you're going to put here, you're going to use it to access your account. You doing this, you're going to secure your WhatsApp account from being hacked. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.